All right, if you're gonna be installing a Cyclops LED light, new headlight for your DR650, so just a quick video to show you kind of how to get there and what it looks like. It's not a how-to video, just to show you instead what it's gonna look like when you're doing it. So your first step, you wanna take this off. You've got a Phillips head right here, and then one on each side. You got a 10mm. So take that off, and you got 1, 2, and 3 screws. You got to pull those out, and you're gonna have one more down here that you gotta pull out too. So pull all those out, and you're gonna have your headlight. The assembly is gonna come out. You're gonna disconnect from here this bulb. So this is what was attached to this box, and this right here is what's now attached. This light has a little fan that as soon as you turn the bike on, that fan's gonna come on. And it pretty much just fits right into this capsule right here. It is a little bit finicky because you can see under here, there is a retention clip. It's a little bit tough, but it's not that bad to put back on. So once you've got it all on here, I'm planning just to fit it all, shove it all in here and put some zip ties in it and screw everything back in. I already tested the light and it works great, really bright. But this is just what it looks like. It's taken me about 10 minutes so far. If you're looking at doing the same job, should be pretty easy.